Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yentan. Nagaland Government has announced that the Unlock 3 in the state will begin from July 18 to August 1st. The decision was taken in a meeting of the High Powered Committee, HPC, under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister, Nipio. Addressing a press conference after the meeting, Minister and spokesperson Nipa Grono said colleges in the state will be allowed to reopen from July 26 provided the teaching and non-teaching staff has taken the vaccine. He said the HPC will also consider reopening of schools and for which the stakeholders are told to be prepared by getting vaccinated. Also addressing the press conference, advisor and spokesperson Mohalamo Gikon informed that all eligible students will be encouraged to get vaccinated and colleges will be directed to start vaccination in their campuses with the help of the government or district task force. Gikon added that the government is yet to take a call on the SOPs for small children from classes nursery to 10. He said attendance of the staff of Nagaland Civil Secretariat, the directorates and all government offices will be based on vaccination status and will be required to present RT-PCR test report every 15 days for the safety of co-workers. With regard to protocols which is to be followed in train station, Gikon informed that the returnees and inbound travellers that are asymptomatic and fully vaccinated against COVID-19 will not require to be tested at the point of entry or require quarantine, while those who have taken at least the first dose of COVID vaccine 15 days prior to their entry will not require to be tested but will require quarantine for 7 days. The inter-district movement of persons for non-essential services, including private journey by private vehicle, will be allowed on the condition that the driver being asymptomatic and had taken full vaccination or at least first dose prior 15 days, while occupants will be required to produce the vaccination certificate or the RT-PCR test report, which is mandatory. Health Ministry has clarified that it has focused on ensuring children receive life-saving vaccines under Universal Immunization Program during COVID pandemic. It said that media reports alleging that lakhs of Indian children may have missed their routine vaccinations due to disruptions caused by COVID-19 are not based on facts. The ministry said a national guideline to safely continue immunization services during the COVID pandemic, including polio supplementary immunization activities, has been developed. In order to identify reasons for missed vaccine doses, monitoring and supervision is being done by states and district task forces for prompt corrective action. Intensified immunization drive under Intensified Mission Indradhanush was conducted in 250 high-risk districts. One national immunization round and 2 sub-national rounds have also been conducted to maintain high population immunity against polio. Ahead of monsoon session of Parliament, Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu has called a meeting today of the floor leaders representing the political parties in the upper house. During the meeting, Naidu is expected to discuss ways to ensure smooth functioning of the House during the session. The centre has also convened an all-party meeting tomorrow. During the meeting, it will seek support of political parties to ensure smooth functioning of both houses of Parliament. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has also called a meeting of floor leaders on the same day. The monsoon session of Parliament starts on 19th of this month and conclude on 13th August. The session will have 19 sittings of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.